Let's talk about how to compare two numbers. If you have 6 apples, you will be happier than when you have only 4. So, we can say 6 is greater than 4. We write this fact like this. Or, equivalently, 4 is less than 6. In this case, just flip the symbol. What happens when two numbers tie? We say they are equal. For example, 5 is 5, and we write this fact like this. So far, we got 3 symbols, less than, equal, and greater than. But we can add some more. When you are not sure whether one is less than another, or they are equal, you may want to use less than or equal. Similarly, greater than or equal is defined. When you want to negate some wrong comparison, just draw a stick to each of these symbols. Now, let me introduce two important rules. First, when you have a chain of less than, you can erase the middle. Similar facts also hold for equality and greater than. This property is called transitivity. Second, any two numbers can be compared, so one of the 3 symbols hold. However, not 2 of them. This rule is called trichotomy. That's it. Since 0 means nothing, sometimes a third rule is added, asserting that nothing is less than 0. It might be true, but we can imagine what if not. Suppose there is a long line. We can write numbers on it. Going right means greater numbers. How about going left? We can pass the 0 and go on. We can write numbers as we go left and left, but this time with a bar to distinguish with numbers on the right side. This bar is called minus, so you can read the numbers as -1, -2, and so on. -1s are called negative numbers, while the others are positive. Sometimes these bars bother, so you may want to detach them. If you draw 2 walls on both sides of a number, it means that you want to ignore the minus sign. This notation is called absolute value. Definitions are done. Now it's time to learn how to compare fast and effectively. What you have to do is just remembering 4 rules. First, positive ones are always greater than negative ones. Second, when 2 positives are compared, one with more symbols wins. Third, if the numbers of symbols tie, compare the first different symbol. Fourth, if there are 2 negatives, compare absolute values of them, and negate the result. That's all. So, here is an example. Which one is bigger?